Hey guys, how's it going? Freya from Tools and Gadgets. So I've seen in the thumbnail that I have been having problems on my microphone on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I guess this isn't just limited to the iPhone 15 lineup, but maybe on the 14, 13, 12, and 11 and 10. So I'm going to share to you what happened to my iPhone right here. So I have already contacted Apple support, and what they asked me to do was do some troubleshooting, like hold the volume up button, hold the volume down button, and long press the power button just to force restart the phone, which apparently did not fix the issue. Even before I contacted Apple support, I was doing that exact process like 5 to 10 times already, and I didn't have any luck with that. So I head on to the net, Google. I was searching why my microphone is producing this crackling noise, or like a flickering noise, which I had no luck as well because I couldn't see anything in the net. And I noticed that all the problems were about the battery overheating, and then after Apple fixed that, and so comes the volume. When it reaches 80% above, the speakers on the iPhone started to crackle, like crackling sound. So that is not my issue as well. So mine is the microphone located at the lower left. So if you're facing your iPhone, it's on the lower left. That's our microphone. So at first I thought it was the speaker because there were 4 holes there. So I couldn't really imagine why they need 4 holes for a microphone. But then I looked the blueprint for the iPhone and I saw that it really is the microphone. So I made an appointment to meet a Genius Bar person at the Apple store. I don't know what I was saying. Okay, so back to the whole thing. On the day that I was supposed to meet them on my scheduled appointment date, I noticed that the flickering sound just magically went away. Like I didn't do anything at all. And before that, I noticed when the flickering sound was still there, I couldn't ask Siri for anything. Like I couldn't say, hey. So I couldn't really call on Siri when that flickering noise was there. So it got me thinking, why was my Siri deactivated while I could still make a call and the person that I was calling to could hear me, but then with a flickering sound, like a very disturbing flickering sound on his or her end, but I could not activate Siri at all. So back to the story, guys. So on the day that I was supposed to meet with a Genius Bar person at Apple, what I did that morning was I plugged in my phone on the Apple CarPlay, so I accidentally called on Siri, like because I want to text my wife, right? So on the Apple CarPlay dashboard, the Siri icon went up so I could say a command, but on my phone it didn't register at all. So the Siri logo wasn't showing on the bottom of my screen. It was just showing on the Apple CarPlay dashboard. So after making that command to text a message to my wife, after I arrived at her workplace, I pulled out my phone and I thought to myself, hey, hold on, why did I magically ask Siri to do something for me while even for the past few days, Siri wasn't there because I couldn't activate her? So after that, I quickly put the microphone on my ear and I couldn't hear any flickering sound anymore. So it just went away just like that. So maybe, and then I thought that, okay, so that was just an iOS 17.1.1 bug perhaps. So long story short, I canceled my appointment at Apple and I even restarted my phone. I forced restarted my phone. Maybe I was thinking that it was just at that point that it went away. So okay, I restarted my phone a couple of times and the flickering noise wasn't there anymore. So yeah, hopefully guys, for any of you who are experiencing this kind of issue, like the flickering microphone on the bottom left of your phone, hopefully if you're using a Apple CarPlay as well, probably that's the culprit of this problem that we are facing right now. And I just will tell you that I could not search this on the entire web. I have been dealing with Google like every night for the past couple of days, and I couldn't really see what's the solution for this problem. So hopefully I have also helped you fix your problem in terms of the microphone bug. So okay guys, so if you have any comments or questions in regards to what you're facing right now, let us do help each other and try to figure this one out. So once again, write them down in the comment section below, and see you again in our next vlog. Bye.